welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it has been a while, so today I'm back with a quick video. I need to wash my hair. Actually, my hair is growing. I need to wash it. Okay, so today I'm back with a quick video. I actually just want to show you some cute stuff that I found at Pep Home, and I really love them so much, and I want to share with you guys while the stock is still available, and then maybe you guys can make a turn. This video is being filmed today, the 6th of April 2022, and I'll probably post it today as well. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to start with is this cute wall mirror. This mirror is so beautiful, guys. It's affordable, and it's actually quite big. This is where it is at my stand here. It's quite big, and then I actually bought two and one broke. So this one broke. I was so sad, but it's fine. I feel like I must go back for another one. Can you imagine, guys? This is the price, $139.99 Namibian dollars, and I just used this double-sided tape from Crazy Store. In the store, it was actually showing that it's $60, and then when I went to the till, apparently it was on special, and I got it for $40, $39.99. And I wanted to show you this mirror. Okay, I can show you. This one is broken. It comes with, this thing is a protective sponge, and it has, as you can see, this thing's name. It actually has hooks behind. So if you don't want to, like, let me say you don't want to use a double-sided tape, you can actually hook it wherever. You can hook it in the hooks that you have on your wall, but there must be two, because there are two like next to each other. So yeah, that's a good thing about it. I thought it was a plain mirror. It's actually not a plain mirror, so I was so surprised that it has like things where you can hook it on the wall. So yeah, and then the second thing that I got that I want you guys to see is this cute thing here. Guys, look at this. Whiskey people, this is $26.99. $26 Namibian dollars. And then I saw in the shop they decorated it with this two nice glasses, and I also just got two. This one goes for $8.99. $8.99. Very nice. But the one that I was in love with mostly is this one, this whiskey jar, guys. Like, yo, I only see that in movies, and it's actually real, and it's so affordable. $26. I thought they would sell it for $100. When I saw it, I was like, it's probably $100, but then I saw it's $26. And then the other thing is this one, the 5-set glasses in a glass jar set. But I actually removed the price by mistake. I think it's like in $39 as well. It was very affordable. It was not that expensive at all. It was $39.99. So it comes with 3 cups like this, okay, the glasses like this, and then it comes with a jar like this. Guys, this is so cute. It comes with a jar like this. They have them in different colors now. I took the blue one. It's quite a cute small jar, very cute small jar. And the glasses are, it says 5-piece. Oh, the glasses are 4. It says 4. I thought they were, oh yeah, they are 4 actually. They're 4. Here you go. Shows you here. 800 ml. The jar is 800 ml, and then the glasses are 220 ml. 4 of them. So guys, for this is a bargain, a really big bargain. For you to get all this for $40 is like, wow, it's amazing. I love Pep Home, guys. It really has affordable stuff. And even those things, what do you call it? Forgot the name. They're also from Pep Home. I got them actually a gift from my friend. They come in a set of 4. They're also from Pep Home and they're really beautiful. Okay, we move on to the next thing that I got. The next thing that I got is this beautiful snack holder. I got 4. I was only getting 2, and then the lady in the shop was like, no, why don't you get 4? They actually make a circle. And I was like, what, really? And then yeah, there you go. So you can separate them. This one was, each was $14.99, literally $15. You can separate them. They're so cute, guys. Like very beautiful. These ones are nice for serving guests or events. Like if you have events, you can use them to serve snacks and so on, and they're really nice. I so love them. And the other thing is also this cloth here. As you can see, my table here is actually a little bit old, so I put this nice runner on it, and this was also like $16.99 from Pep. And I think it's like as in 1 meter long, 1 meter by, I think 1 meter by 400 huh? 1 meter by 30 centimeter. Yo, maths. Yeah, so it's very beautiful. I love it. Yeah, so that's it for today. That's all I could show you today. There's cute things. Go and make a turn at Pep Home. I'm literally advertising for them for free. So go make a turn there and get yourself some of these cute home stuff that you can use in your home and make your home beautiful. But my favorite one is definitely the mirror. It's so worth it. It's affordable. I saw it at Pep Home, at Mr. Price Home, but then it has like a black round thing here, and the same size as this one was actually like as like in, I think it was $799. I think it was like $800. So this is really affordable. If you want it like with a black rail, then you can just buy sellotape, black sellotape, and then you just put it around here, or you can probably spray paint it or whatever you want to do with it. So yeah, I'm really I love this bargain that I got. It was so nice. So guys, make a 10 before they run out of stock. Okay, bye. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and yeah, and leave a comment.